In this comprehensive video tutorial, I'm excited to guide you step by step through the process of creating a YouTube automation video using the power of AI and a variety of free tools. As we delve into this fascinating journey, remember that this is WealthWorks TV, and we're committed to delivering top-notch content to help you succeed in the world of YouTube automation. So, without further ado, let's dive right into it. When it comes to content creation on YouTube, the possibilities are virtually endless. You can explore a wide range of topics and niches to engage your audience. For the purposes of this tutorial, I've chosen one of my personal favorites, ancient history. Specifically, we'll be creating a YouTube automation video centered around the captivating world of ancient Egypt. However, keep in mind that the formula I'm about to share with you can be applied to virtually any topic you're passionate about. So, let's get started. The foundation of any successful YouTube automation video is a well-crafted script, and we're going to leverage the capabilities of our trusty AI companion, ChatGPT, to generate this script seamlessly. Head over to ChatGPT, and with just a few keystrokes, you can effortlessly create a script that forms the backbone of your video. For instance, you can type a request like, "Create me a script for a YouTube video discussing ancient Egypt and the rise of their empire." In a matter of seconds, ChatGPT will generate a script that you can use as the narrative foundation of your video. Now that we have our script in hand, it's time to breathe life into it. We'll be using AI technology for the narration part, making the process both efficient and engaging. For this purpose, we'll turn to Clipchamp, a versatile and free platform. Here you can choose from a selection of AI voices that suit your video's tone. Paste your script, adjust the voice settings to your liking, and in mere moments, you'll have an AI-generated voiceover ready to captivate your audience. With our AI voiceover in place, the next step is video editing, and for this, we'll be using CapCut. Import your AI-generated voiceover, separate the audio, and remove any unnecessary segments to create a clean, streamlined audio track. Now let's bring visuals into the mix. To fill your video, you'll need compelling stock footage. Websites like Pixabay and Pexels offer a treasure trove of free stock videos. Search for clips that align with your chosen topic, in our case, ancient Egypt. Import these videos into your editing timeline, and to keep your viewers engaged, consider changing the visuals every few seconds. This constant visual evolution will help maintain viewer interest throughout your video. When it comes to background music, explore platforms like YouTube's audio library or other free sources for royalty-free audio tracks. Select music that complements your video's theme and adjust the audio levels as needed for the perfect auditory experience. Now, as you've meticulously edited and polished your video, it's time to put the finishing touches on your title and thumbnail. Conduct thorough research using tools like Vidic to identify relevant keywords and assess competition in your niche. Craft a title that's not only relevant but also highly engaging to entice potential viewers. For your video's thumbnail, you can harness the power of AI tools like Blue Willow to generate visually striking images. Once you've generated your thumbnail, feel free to further customize it using Canva. Add text, effects, and any other elements that will make your thumbnail irresistibly clickable. In conclusion, creating YouTube automation videos might involve some manual effort, but following this formula ensures that you'll produce high-quality content that attracts views and engagement. If you found this comprehensive tutorial helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments section. You're part of the WealthWorks TV community, and together, we'll continue to grow and succeed in the world of YouTube automation.